Barangay Ginebra kontra sa Blackwater, Friday matchup. Ang Ginebra nasa winning streak and ang Blackwater naman kaka-upset lang, kagagaling lang sa kanilang upset win kontra sa San Miguel Beermen. Speaking of upset, si Robert Upshaw naging isang malaking challenge pigilan ng Barangay Ginebra. Grabe yung combination of 4-point shooting, footwork, touch, and everything. Pero ang talagang nanaig kasi sa game na to, yung consistency and yung poise ng Barangay Ginebra team. And yung strategy ng Blackwater sa game na to, very clear strategy. Ang kanilang game plan ay to double team Justin Brownlee at all costs. And then, pumipili lang sila ng isang player na hindi nila ganong pagtutuunan ng pansin in terms of rotating. Kasi talagang namimili sila ng player like starting unit nung simula nung game. They were choosing Scottie Thompson. Even naman hanggang sa dulo, they were helping off Scottie Thompson para dumobol kay Brownlee. May mga times na helping off Nards Pinto, etc. etc. So yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Makikita natin dito sa headline, Brownlee only scored 21 points. Mataas pa rin naman pero the others contributed as well. Scottie with 19, RJ with 18, and Troy Rosario, best player of the game, 17 and 10 as far as I know. Troy Rosario had 17 and 10. Tapos 6 offensive rebounds. Very solid outing from Troy. And sa game na to, nakita ko si Troy very confident to shoot his outside shots. Yung isang sablay niya rito, alala ko to. Ito yung attempt niya na tumira siya sa pick and pop na sayang kasi may isa pa siyang swing to an open Stephen Holt sa corner. And speaking of Stephen Holt, maganda laro ni Stephen Holt today. Another decisive outing from Stephen Holt. Very decisive siya sa open shots niya. And yun lang naman yung hinihiling natin every game. And the bench as well, solid. Gray, 4 points in 8 minutes. Ku, pinasok ng third quarter. Lagi naman ganun, third quarter lang pinapasok. So makakashoot ng 3 points. Even Isaac Go, struggled defending Upshaw. And then Norbert Torres din as well. Pero Norbert ng first half had a very solid stretch. So, overall, very good team win mula sa Barangay Ginebra and yung poise nga nila and consistency na pag-uusapan na natin ngayon. Kasi nga Blackwater, dino-double team talaga nila si Brownlee at all cost. Makikita natin dito, Ginebra will set up their offense. So, ang ginawang counter ng Ginebra dito, alam na nila, okay, na magdo-double team ang Blackwater. So, nilalagay nila yung players nila sa posisyon na kaya nilang basahin, kaya nilang i-manipulate, or at the very least, kaya nilang pagtrabahuhin yung Blackwater defenders. Kasi makikita natin dito, Brownlee sa sobrang high post, mid post na to. Pero if you look at the other players, yung 4 other players, you have Ralph Koo, 1 pass away, Jeremiah Gray dito sa wing. May nangyayari dito pero space out yan si Scottie Thompson dito sa corner or sa wing eventually sa area na yan. Then may isa ka nasa opposite dunker spot para yung help side na si Robert Upshaw. Hindi basta-basta mag-help kapag dumrive man si Brownlee. So, it's about Ginebra acknowledging na ito yung game plan, paano natin ilalagay yung sarili natin sa posisyon para talunin yung double team na to. So, first, ang answer is put the ball sa posisyon kay Justin Brownlee kung saan kaya ni Justin Brownlee makakita ng maayos at makapag-create ng maayos. Makikita natin dito, high post, mid post. So, kumbaga, back to the basket si Brownlee pero meron siyang clear view saan yung mga papasahan niya. Makikita natin, back to the basket but at the same time, kita niya lahat ng options niya. Kita niya lahat yan and lahat yan kaya niyang ipasahan. Though some passes are riskier than, some, like ito, 1 pass away. Pero thankfully dito, si Christian David, nag-help siya of Ralph Koo, 1 pass away. Late na si Paul Zamar sa kanyang close out, Ralph Koo. Yan, usual Ralph Koo, usual Ralph Koo appearance, papasok ng third quarter, titira ng isang 3 points. Okay na. Clock out na ulit, nagawa ng trabaho. Okay, and dito naman, they tried to run the triangle dito. Diretso blind pick dito kay Brownlee sa pressure release for RJ sana. Pero still, makikita natin dito, Brownlee, top of the key, kitang-kita niya lahat ng nangyayari. Saan manggagaling yung double team at sino yung options niya na pwedeng pasahan. Makikita natin dito, okay, face up si Brownlee, nag-double dito si Andrade, and now David. Pag nagdo-double ka, of course, di ba? 2 defenders on 1, 2 on 1. May advantage ka kung ikaw yung Ginebra. Ibig sabihin nun, merong 4 na players na Ginebra sa 3 Blackwater defenders. And dito makikita natin, ini-split ni David yung gap between 2 players, Nards Pinto and Stephen Holt. If I ask you guys, sino pipiliin yung close-outan? Stephen Holt or Nards Pinto? 99.8% of you guys would give the answer of Stephen Holt. even ako, alam niyo naman ako, anong thoughts ko about Stephen Holt. Though, as of late, gusto ko nilalaro ni Holt. Pero, di ba, pipiliin mo si Stephen Holt dito. Pero, defensive mistake from Christian David, pinili niya rito si Nards Pinto, knowing na si Robert Upshaw, never aalisin sa ilalim. So, nalibre si Holt sa corner, wide open 3-pointer para sa Barangay Ginebra. Dahil, alam nila, anong gagawin kapag dumating ang double team kay Justin Brownlee. And again, dito, it's the same thing kanina, di ba? High post si Brownlee, spaced out ang Ginebra. This time, RJ, Nards, Stephen Holt, and then Troy Rosario ulit sa dunker spot opposite. Now, dumating ang double team kay BJ Andrade off Nard Pinto. Pero si RJ, hindi binibitawan ni Cedric Bearfield. Kasi I think this is Blackwater's game plan. Double team kay Brownlee, stay home tayo to specific players, which is yung mali ni David kanina. Dapat stay home ka na kay Stephen Holt eh. You leave this guy open, Nards Pinto. Stay home ka sa mga threat, sa shooters, and ang talagang pinaka bibigay mo na sa Ginebra, si Nards Pinto, who is decent shooter as well. Hindi nga decent eh. I consider Nard Pinto a shooter talaga eh. Pero sa lineup na to ng Ginebra, siya talaga yung iiwan ng Blackwater dito. And Nard Pinto missed a couple of 3-pointers in the fourth quarter. So, na-encourage yung Blackwater na gawin ulit natin. Diba? Mag-help off Pinto ulit tayo. Hindi tayo titigil hanggat di ka nakakashoot. Dito, 3 minutes remaining. 6-point lead. Brownlee again sa same position. Kabilang side lang. High post. Double team si BJ Andrade. Christian David, tama na yung decision niya this time. Diba? Yun ulit yung choices niya. Pinto or Holt sa same side. This time, hindi na siya nagdali-daling tumakbo kay Nard. Pinili niya na si Holt. Pero again, Nard Pinto, wide open. Unfortunately, sablay. And I think, kaya sinasabi ng ibang tao, ng fans, disrespectful yung depensa ng Blackwater to Nards. Kasi tignan niya naman kasi si BJ Andrade. Though I understand, diba? Part yan ng mental gymnastics yan. I've been there. Hindi naman sa PBA level. Parang laro-laro lang, pailaw lang, ganun. Kumbaga, pustahan lang ng Coke or ice tubig. Yung pag wide open ka, ginajaggingan ka lang, tapos ready na to rebound yung bantay. Medyo yan eh. Medyo nakaka-offend yan, to be honest. That's why, dito sa play na to, again, Brownlee sa same position, they will also isolate him, pero this time, merong strong side corner. Si Christian David, magro-rotate siya, papunta kay Stephen Holt, leaving Nards Pinto here, free roam, kahit anong gustong gawin. Kasi, stay home nga kay Stephen Holt eh. So now, Holt, extra pass. And again, BJ Andrade, nag-jogging papunta kay Nard Pinto. So, I guess that's why si Nard Pinto, ginawa yung celebration ni Robert Upshaw na ipe-play ko right now. Kasi talagang iniwan siya eh. They dared him to shoot. Ngayon, napasok, di ba? 113 to 108. 57 seconds remaining. Honestly, I love Robert Upshaw's game. I love Cedric Bearfield's game. I like Blackwater. I root for Blackwater for many different reasons or a couple of reasons. Kasi gusto ko manalo yung ating friend of the channel, si Coach Ryan, and at the same time, gusto ko rin na yung pick ng Terra Firma tumaas ang value at manalo ang NF. Anyway, so dito sa play na to, napansin ko lang kasi mga nakaraang araw, ang daming situations, even yung sa Macau game kanina, or yung bago tong game na to, na 57 seconds remaining, down 5. Why would you take a 4-pointer? Why would you go for the, kumbaga, sa golf, bobomba ka ng driver na hoping na mapunta ka kagad sa green in par 4, ganon. 300 mahigit yards, bobomba ka with the risk of pumunta ka sa puno, mag-slice ka sa puno. Kung pwede mo naman na kumuha ka na lang ng layup, 'di ba? Maglabas ka ng 3 wood or mag-iron ka, long iron ka, mag-cover ka ng at least 175 yards, nasa posisyon ka para mag-hit ulit ng another 175. Tapos ka na, chip onto the green ka na. Diba? Bakit pwede sa sitwasyon na to, pwede ka naman 108, 130 with 50 seconds remaining. Take a 2-pointer. Tapos play defense, get a defensive stop, shoot another 2-pointer or a 3-pointer, tabla or down 1, diba? And then you play the foul game. You foul 2 free throws, hoping for a miss, maybe 1 point, or maybe a 2-point lead or 3-point lead, and then you execute again. Kumbaga game management, I think. Kasi even yung Joshua Monzo nung nakaraan, diba? Ganun, go for the kill shot. Kanina si Chongqui, go for the kill shot. Pwede naman just take the 2-pointer or the 3-pointer, then play defense. If hindi ka makakuha ng defensive stop, ibig sabihin, hindi mo deserve yung panalo, diba? Yung most important defensive possession, if you get it done, diba, you have yourself a chance. An easier chance. Kasi 2 points na lang habulin mo or a 3-pointer na lang isa-set mo. Unlike the 4-pointer, ni-rule out mo na yung dalawang option which is the 2-pointer and the 3-pointer. So, very predictable ka. Yung chances na magkakaroon ng defensive stop yung kalaban sa'yo, mataas. Kasi alam nila na magpo-4 ka pwede ka pa nilang foulin, 2 free throws. And then, naubos na yung oras, etc. etc. So, yun lang naman kasi I feel like may chance Kumbaga kung pinoste nila si Upshaw 110 to 113 sumablay Ginebra, may chance 3-pointer lang kailangan. Pero yun, that's a win for Ginebra. They extend their winning streak. And again, ulitin ko, ang nagpanalo sa kanila, ang kanilang consistency and yung poise. Hindi sila nagpanic kahit na dinodouble si Brownlee. Alam nila, may tiwala sila sa isa't isa.